got the sticker sheet.
essentially the brains of the system, if you would. So here's the main breaker, also the new main breaker to your home.
Okay.
And then this is the 60 amp breaker that feeds the solar, which goes through this disconnect. Up is on, down is off. You'll never have to touch it. It's just a code compliant safety switch.
Okay.
Which then goes through the trench over to the panels, to the combiner panel.
All right.
This 60 amp breaker, this is for the Powerwall batteries, which are fed through this disconnect here. Same thing, up is on, down is off. Same deal as well. You'll never have to touch any of these. And then these breakers here, these are the two backed up circuits that we pulled out of that box over there. So you got the yard outlet and the barn.
Awesome.
So that
Easy enough.
Yep, super simple. Alright, so that's it there. And then we can go ahead and go in the garage. In the garage, this is so your existing main panel. This is now your battery essential loads panel, meaning everything in this panel is 100% backed up during a power outage.
Awesome.
Alright. And then this is the sub panel for the batteries. This one goes to the rear, and then this one goes to the front. Basically, you have that 60 amp in the gateway, and then they're split into individual breakers inside.
Okay.
And then,
Makes sense. 60 out there and 230s in here.
yes, sir.
Okay.
And that's it.
Very good. Anything on the panels outside?
We can walk back there. So this permit I'm gonna leave here, and then this folder is for you guys to go over.
Okay.
Just post installation next steps. Basically, you'll have an inspection in the next week or two, and then after that, Encore will give us the approval to turn on the system, and we'll do that remotely.
Okay.
All right.
Very good.
So I'll just leave this here for you, and then we can go ahead and walk back here to the panels. So this is the end-phase combiner box. This is basically where the power from the panels come down into 3 individual strings, 1, 2, and 3. And then this is just a communication device that's integrated with this.
Okay.
So the power comes into here and then pumps back to the gateway.
Okay. So the 320 amp circuits are for the panels themselves. And what's the,
Correct.
the 15?
That's for the communication device.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Got it. All right. Very cool. Easy enough.
Yep.
Got it. All right. So I want to thank Chad. You're doing an awesome job.
No
These
problem.
guys and
Anytime.
Hunter.
Yeah.
The awesome work these guys have done out here getting all this taken care of, man. It was really awesome. So we're just about finished. We'll get this thing wrapped up.
Yes, sir.
Thanks,
Thank you.
guys.
Oh yeah, that's true.
That
okay.
way the snow falls off.
Okay. So, these are my questions. Are you, yeah. Okay. So it's at a 10-degree angle. 10 degrees.
10-degree
right?
slope, yeah.
10-degree slope. Okay. So, my first question is about the inspection. So that's Encore, right?
The city.
The city inspects.
Yep.
Now, are they going to come out and inspect?
Yes, they will. And they'll meet one of our inspection technicians out here. And they'll
Okay.
open everything up, make sure everything was done.
And
for
did they
code.
take it off standby then?
No. and then we submit documents to Encore,
Uh-huh.
and then Encore gives us the approval to turn it on.
And do you have to come back to turn it on?
No,
Okay.
that's remote.
Okay. All right, that's one of them. And then, is there any kind of maintenance we have to do to the panels?
Nope.
Like, what if it snows or?
It'll melt and run off.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's just.
Yeah. There's no maintenance. You have
So
to
we
do
have
anything.
the little solar chargers for the poultry nets out there, and they
Mhm.
get all glazed and.
You can wash them off, just with the hose or.
But will
You
they
know.
get that? You know how like headlights get that?
Yeah.
No,
Will it do
shouldn't.
that?
It's a tempered glass, so it shouldn't.
Okay.
It shouldn't get any of that. I mean, you'll get dust and whatnot on it, but usually
The rain.
Mother
will-
Nature does it and
Yeah.
kind of takes care of it and washes it off, and
And it won't break in a hailstorm.
It shouldn't.
they
I mean,
can
if-
withstand a 65-mile-an-hour fastball. So
65
they're-
mile an hour fastball.
They're pretty durable.
Okay.
And if one breaks, we switch it out. So
Yep.
it's covered under warranty.
Okay. How long is the warranty?
Don't know.
I'm not sure.
I don't know that aspect
I'm
yet.
sure we can find it in our papers.
Yeah.
Cool.
Or reach out to your representative. They should have that answer for you.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, but if you do spray the panels off, they get dusty or whatever. I would just do it probably early in the morning, like super early. That way the panels aren't like hot. They're all cooled down, you know.
Oh, yeah,
Kind of
yeah.
like washing your car
Because they get real hot when they're,
in the sun.
yeah.
Yeah.
kinda.
You
Really
can't
hot.
walk on them.
I'm going to walk on them.
It would be like her to climb up there and want to walk on them.
Just get up there and dust them off. No.
Yep.
We can shoot the power washer up there. Maybe. Okay, great. I think that's all.
All right.
Thanks a lot.
No problem.